What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back in my bathroom. I can't believe it. 3 years. 3 years of locks. So I figure since we're at this big anniversary, I'm at this giant milestone, I'm sharing this all with you, everyone out there, that I should do a link check, you know, just to see how much my locks have grown. I know I just did one like 3 months ago, but I figure with the way that my hair has been growing, there's probably been some significant growth. I'm thinking probably like another ½ inch to an inch. We gonna see if I can get this thing out. Hold on a second. Oh Lord. So I think what I did was the front, the sides, and the back right and back left. So we gonna measure them out and see. Now, let's see, front. We got this one, we're gonna use this one. Again, shout out to Lowe's for the giant meter stick. Let's see. This lock. 11.5, y'all. Hey. All right, that's the front. Let's do this one on the side. This one's always short though. Let's do a different one. That one's just a short lock on the side. This one, this lock over here, 10.5. That one's kind of short. Okay. What about this side? Hold on. Up here. This is 10.5. 10.5. Okay, what about the big daddy of them all? This one right here, this is like, I think this is the longest lock because it's significantly long. Like this thing is gonna be, I'm hoping this one's a foot. Let's see. Where's the end? Y'all, 13 inches. Ah, chill. That thing is awesome. Okay, I'm not mad at that. All right, and let's do this side. It's probably a little bit shorter. That one. Okay. And this one, 10 inches. So yeah, they're all different lengths. It's weird. I don't understand why that is. Anyway, so yeah, just a little link check to let y'all know how my locks are progressing at this 3-year mark. If you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, right below this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button and subscribe if you would like to. If you don't, that's cool too. Thank you for coming. But yeah, that's basically it. Well, I don't know when I'll do another link check. Probably like in 3 or 6 months. We're gonna do 6 months because I don't think there was much difference from last one to this one. So we're gonna wait 6 months this time. Maybe we'll do a link check again. All right. Well, until the next video, I will see y'all. Peace.